Hi, I'm Deborah from ChalkStar. Thanks for joining me today. If you're using clip art to create movable pieces and digital products, most of the graphic artists require that you secure the image with either text or a background. So in this tutorial, I will use PowerPoint to show you how you can protect their images with a text overlay. Here's an image from my friend Michelle, and we're going to add text on top of that. So first thing we have to do is add a text box. So I'll go to the top menu, Insert, and I'm going to click the text box to add that. I'll come over, bring my cursor over to the page, and you'll see it has the little A below it. So we're going to go ahead and click and drag to just about the size of the text box that we need. And there you can see it's created. I'm going to add my text in the middle. I want to make it a little bit fancy, so we're going to change that to couch potato. And I'll make that a size 44. I do like it in the middle. And I'm going to drag my text box into place on the top part. There's my first text box. I'm going to go ahead and add another text box, clicking and dragging that, and this one is going to say fishing. Again, I'm going to center justify that, change it to couch potato font. I'll better highlight it first. Change it to couch potato font, and I do want that to be the same size of 44. I have my second box, and I can slide that into place. There, looks good. Now we're not done yet. The text is in front of the graphic, but you still have to secure it. You'll want to select all three parts, the graphic and the two text boxes. So I'll click on the graphic to select it. See how the box came around it. On an Apple, you're going to hold down the Command key and click on the text boxes. On a PC, I think you're going to hold down the Shift key to make sure that you have all three pieces selected at one time. You can go back up to your menu at the top, and we're going to use this menu, and click Picture Format this time. We want to group those objects together, make them all one grouping. You should have this option to select Group Objects, so you'll click on that key. And yes, we want to group them together. And there you go. Now you have one big object. When you move them around, they all move around. And you're not quite done yet. The last thing we need to do is save this as an image. So you'll go ahead and right click on the picture. Down at the bottom you'll see Save as a Picture. I want it to save as a PNG file. The reason I want it as a PNG file is that it gives good quality and the background will be transparent for the image. If you want your background to be white, then you'll go ahead and select JPEG at the bottom. But I want it to be transparent, so I'm going to leave it as a PNG. I'm going to rename this as Fishing. You go ahead and click Save at the bottom, and it will work its magic and save your image to your desktop or wherever you told it to go. Now you have it saved as a PNG file, so you can go ahead and delete this by clicking on it and hit the delete button. You can drag your new graphic into your page, and now it is protected. You cannot lift the text off of the graphic behind it. You can also resize it and move it around wherever you need to put it in your document. Congratulations, you have finished. You have successfully protected the graphic by laying text on top of it. You will have one very happy graphic artist. Thanks so much for watching. If you like what you see, please leave me a comment below. I love reading them, and have a wonderful day.